I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by washing and drying the chipped area thoroughly to remove dirt and oils. Inspect the chip closely with good light to reveal the true size and depth. Measure across the chip with a ruler and determine whether the damage is under 1/4 inch deep. Check for hairline cracks radiating from the point of impact and assess whether glass, paint, or substrate is affected. Decide if a simple fill will suffice or if replacement is necessary based on depth and cracking. Begin by removing loose fragments with a soft brush and gentle vacuum to clear the cavity. Mix a 2-part epoxy filler precisely at a 1:1 ratio by volume for consistent curing and strength. Apply the epoxy sparingly and slightly overfill the chip to compensate for shrinkage and ensure full coverage. Smooth the surface with a plastic scraper and let the filler cure undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Curing time depends on product instructions and after full cure, begin sanding the repair starting with 320 grit to level the filler with the surface. Progress to 600 grit wet sanding to refine the texture and reduce visible scratches for a smooth blend. Finish with 1200 grit polish to restore gloss and clarity that matches the surrounding surface. Apply a polishing compound with a soft cloth and buff until the repair visually integrates. Seal the area with a thin top coat or clear lacquer to protect against moisture and future damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.